Martin, Director of Product Development and Engineering here at Martin Yale. I'm here again with you today to talk about some new and exciting developments about product with the new and exciting Martin Yale. Today I'm going to talk about some new innovations that we've done to our 62001 letter opener. The 62001 letter opener has been around for quite some time. Due to the length of time that it's been around, we decided it was time to do some innovative new things with it to bring something fresh to the market. The new and exciting things that we've done with this letter opener is we've actually made it easier for end user use. Just to show you a little bit here what's made it easier, I'm going to open the top here and show you that the system for feeding the envelopes through has been changed. This used to be a double ski system, and now we're looking at a roller system that does a better job of handling a wider array of envelopes without the necessity of customer adjustment. Additionally, it also does a better job of holding the envelopes back against the back frame to precisely open the envelopes with less inconsistencies during the opening process. Another change that we've made to the unit is on the envelope separator system. Again, this used to be much more cumbersome and harder to adjust. Now we've made it so that you can send envelopes through with varying thicknesses much easier without a lot of adjustment. May be kind of hard to see on film here, but this envelope, of course, is quite a bit thicker than this one, as this has 4 sheets in it and this one has a single sheet. As far as operation as it relates to the 62001, it's still pretty much the same for the end user. The standard operation for any letter opener is you tap down your mail, of course, to get all the contents inside down to the bottom. Then what you do is you come over here and you lay the envelopes on your feed system, and then you power the machine up. What I've done for this particular demonstration, though, is I've added in thin and thick, and this is one of the things that we've improved on the 62001, and that's now that you can run these varying thicknesses much easier without the hassle of having to do minor adjustments to the envelope separator or the skis that used to be in the system. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and turn the machine on now and let you see how it works. As you can see, all the envelopes have clearly been opened, and if the camera can zoom in close enough here, you can see we've got a 4-sheet, single sheet, more single sheets. So you can just, as mail is inconsistent, of course, you're going to have inconsistencies when you're trying to open your letters. That's precisely what this was designed to do, is give you that flexibility without having to make tweaks to the machine when you're processing different thicknesses of mail. If you have any questions about the new 62001, please contact our customer service at Inside Sales here at Martin Yale, and the number you will see at the bottom of the screen. Thank you.